Welcome to Ngobo 10 Shop I channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button and help us grow. For breaking news, please visit our website on www.ngobo2010shopi.co.za. Tada. This is Ngobo 2010 Shop I channel. We are here at FNB Stadium, Kaizer Chiefs 2, Skune United 0. My brother, how's it?
Mfowethu
Kunjani
impilo
mfowethu?
ngiyaphi mfowethu
Sharp, thanks man. Ubani uphuma kuphi?
uDube lo usuka eSoweto eFreedom Park.
Nazonke. Ibona njani igame namhlanje?
I-game was very good even though ngiphetha ubuhlungu ukuthi idliwe isikhukhune. I was here to support Sikhukhune, to support uButhelezi,
Yeah.
but unfortunately azange senze kahle.
Yeah.
Unlucky Sikhukhune continue to Chiefs.
Yeah, mawubhekile yini edala ukuthi isikhukhune siliwe namhlanje?
Isikhukhune namhlanje besingadlala ibhola engilaziyo. Asihlaselanga ngithazi ngamagoli but today sesikwenzile ngidumele kakhulu ngibona sidlele kanje but hopefully ukuthi next time soza better than today.
Yeah. No, siyabonga kakhulu mfethu.
Thank you.
Hard luck.
Ciao ciao.
Sharp.